Okay, so let's have a closer look on how to create user segmentations and how to use them in your campaigns. Make sure to log into Ptengine Experience and select the users item in the top navigation. User segmentations are very important to make differences between your visitors. You can give them special offers, content, or using our personalization features. A segmentation is the foundation of a personalized user experience. So let's make our first user group now. In this sample, I will make a user group which focuses only on visitors from the US. As you can see in this drop-down, there's multiple items you can select and even combine them to make a more specific segmentation. There's also an option to import extra fields or custom data to Ptengine to really customize your user experience. In this case, I will select country and fill out the United States. Okay, so let's save this user group. To really know and see who your visitors are, you can add the identification tracking code to your website as well. With that, you can select specific labels or fields from, for example, your Salesforce CRM system and sync that with Ptengine. Now I want to use this selection for our A/B test that I created in the previous A/B testing video. So let's go to our campaign in the personalization section and add this user group. This means that only people from the US will see this campaign. Well, and as you can see, this is a nice and very easy way to differentiate content for your users. Simply select the group and save your campaign. You can manage all your user groups and check in which campaigns they're active on the overview page. Now make sure you add some user groups and select them in your A/B tests. Good luck.